The top earning Spotify artists. Hello and welcome back to Popping Luxury. Everyone listens to Spotify, and in 2021 Spotify has become the go-to app for music. This platform brings the world the music of the greats, and these are the greats who make the most money from it. Stay tuned and watch the video to see if your favorite artist makes the list. The Weeknd. The first artist to make the list is none other than Weeknd. With more than 9 billion streams for songs like The Hills, Blinding Lights, and Save Your Tears, and as the star of Super Bowl's LV halftime show, it's not surprising the popular singer earns plenty from the music platform. The Weeknd reportedly earns a massive $23 million from the music streaming platform, along with money flowing in from other platforms like YouTube and SoundCloud as well. Khaled. The R&B artist, not to be confused with DJ Khaled, has topped more than 9 billion streams. The Young, Dumb and Broke singer has been seen in several collaborations with Ed Sheeran, Beautiful People, Benny Blanco, Eastside, and more. As of 2021, Khaled earns a massive 24 million USD from Spotify alone. Ariana Grande. Next on the list, we have none other than Ariana Grande. The young pop star rose to fame as Cat Valentine in Nickelodeon's Sam and Cat series. Her first album released in the winter of 2011, and since then, Grande has released numerous hits such as Seven Rings, Thank You, Next, and No Tears Left to Cry. According to Accredited Debt Relief, Grande is the top-earning woman on Spotify and makes her the 8th highest earner of all as she amasses around $27 million a year in Spotify earnings. Ozuna. Many might not know who Ozuna is. Well, he's a Latin artist who has gained fame through songs like Caramelo, Despeinada, and Una Locura. According to Spotify, Juan Carlos Ozuna Rosado writes positive and uplifting songs without the use of profanity, so his daughter can listen to his music. Guinness Book of World Records claims the singer held 4 world records by the age of 27. Ozuna has a huge fan following in Latin America and earns around $30 million from his music on the music streaming app. Justin Bieber. Are you surprised he's not the richest earner from the list? Breaking onto the scene as a young boy in 2010 with Baby, the star has continued to release chart stoppers and collaborations, resulting in more than 13 billion downloads through Spotify. His 2020 release brought songs like Yummy, Holy, and Anyone. The Canadian singer became the first artist to have 7 songs from a debut record chart on the Billboard Hot 100. He earns $33 million from the music streaming app, which, to be honest, isn't that much considering how many times his songs have been played. Justin Bieber receives over 76 million listeners on Spotify every month. His biggest hit on the app is Stay, receiving over 234 million plays till date. Ed Sheeran. Next on the list is none other than Ed Sheeran. The singer-songwriter has had a string of hits from Perfect, Thinking Out Loud, and Photograph. Spotify's top-grossing song of all time is Shape of You, which earned Sheeran $6.5 million just in downloads. With more than 14 billion total streams, Sheeran's popularity continues to climb, and he's often sought after by peers for collaborations and songwriting. He has reportedly earned $38 million from Spotify in 2021 and is set to earn higher in the future. Bad Bunny. Latin artists seem to be growing in popularity over the years. We've now had so many Latin artists collaborate with English musicians in the past few years. Bad Bunny is another Latin artist with hits like Hoy Caber, Caleta, and Ni Bayan Ni Mal, has raked in just slightly more than Sheeran at 14.7 billion streams. His first album was released in the winter of 2018, and his popularity has only grown through more than a dozen songs on the Billboard Hot 100 chart in collaborations with Cardi B and J Balvin. He has reportedly earned a massive $36 million in Spotify earnings alone and is only going to earn more in the future thanks to his huge fan following in Latin America and collaborations with other musicians. Post Malone. In 2016, the rapper/singer released his first album and landed on the Billboard Hot 100 by 2017, rocketing to stardom with songs like Better Now, Rockstar, and Circles. He's received more than 15 billion downloads through Spotify. The songwriter is known for new tattoos and his easygoing persona, and the hits just keep coming. With over 50 million monthly listeners and over 1 billion listeners on his song Circles, Post Malone earns a whopping $37 million from Spotify. J Balvin. Jose Alvaro Osorio Balvin is a Colombian reggaeton singer and is a best-selling Latin music artist with 5 Billboard Latin Music Awards and 4 Latin Grammy Awards to his name. He's the third Latin singer to mail the list. With hits, I Like It nominated for the Grammys Record of the Year, The Sky is the Limit for Balvin. His most recent album released in March 2020. J Balvin earns a massive $40 million from Spotify downloads and streams. Drake. Drake takes title of top Spotify earner to date with over 21 billion downloads, far exceeding number 2 on the list. He's long since been a favorite of Spotify, as they even add his image to playlists that don't feature his music. With top chart singles such as Toosie Slide, God's Plan, and One Dance, the singer has 196 Hot 100 entries, the most for solo artists to date. He also earns $10 million, more than second-place Ajab Win at $53 million annually. The streaming giant announced last month their plans to double their geographic footprint, according to CNBC, launching in 85 more countries and adding 36 languages to its platform. With the expansion, Spotify expects to offer services to an additional billion people. Today, they welcome 345 million monthly active users and 155 million premium paying members. With that, we wrap up today's video. Did your favorite artist make the list? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.